FreeMake Video Converter Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get video conversion wrong. They struggle with formats, quality loss, or slow software, but you won't believe what happens next when you try FreeMake Video Converter. FreeMake is a software tool that converts video and audio files between formats like MP4, AVI, MOV, MP3, and more. It also allows for basic editing, merging clips, and extracting audio from video files. The surprising truth about FreeMake is how user-friendly it is. Even beginners can convert files quickly without navigating complex menus. It also supports batch processing, meaning you can convert multiple files at once, saving time and effort. Most people get this wrong. They assume free converters compromise quality. FreeMake maintains high-resolution output and provides options for codec adjustments to optimize performance. The platform is best for content creators, educators, and anyone who regularly works with multimedia files. It's especially useful for students, YouTubers, or professionals needing fast, reliable conversions without buying expensive software. The surprising truth is that FreeMake combines simplicity, speed, and quality, making video and audio conversion stress-free for both casual users and professionals. Subscribe for more honest software reviews to help you work smarter and create more efficiently.